Oh yeah, Apple just had their event and oh my god, amazing, right? The most innovative products you're ever gonna see. Well, that would be innovative if it was 2015, but yeah, nah, I think Apple missed the boat on this one.
Today, guys, I want to talk to you about the new iPhone. Fucking hyped to shit. Absolute expensive garbage. It's fucking garbage. So there you go.
And I'm no Apple hater. Most of the stuff I use is Apple. I use a Mac, I use an iPhone. But I gotta say, the last 2 years, the iPhone announcements have been absolutely just boring, no innovation. They're just doing the absolute bare minimum. And even Apple knew that this was the biggest waste of time, this event.
Fucking garbage. It's a rip-off. It's like everything Apple does. Unnecessary. Bringing out a new model just for the sake of it.
It was an hour and 20 minutes, okay? That was a 20-minute event at best. But they just filled it with absolute fluff. What the fuck was this Mother Nature shit? Apple knew that these products weren't that big this year. How do you make your products look more exciting? Let's just do an hour of absolute fucking bullshit. This might distract them from how shit this actual year's releases are. And look, the saving grace here is basically these Apple products. I think the iPhone is probably the best smartphone out there, but the innovation is lacking. You got Samsung making flippy phones and, foldable phones and, 8K video and all this sort of stuff. And what do you got with Apple? Look at the evolution from iPhone 11 to now. Looks the fucking same. They just changed the color. And what about Android though?
Android, fuck Android.
Yes. Like, I was always Android. I was Samsung all the time.
Anybody says it's the best reliable phone.
No.
iPhone's the best.
Why?
Oh, it's got the warranty, the Apple Care.
Yeah, but you can get Samsung Care now.
Oh, fuck Samsung. No, yeah, but your house might catch on fire.
Overhyped. Yes, this is the best smartwatch you're going to get. The new Apple Watches. Yes, the iPhone is probably the best smartphone you're going to get. But come on, Apple, you had the most resources in the world and this is what you come up with. A phone that looks like a phone from fucking 5 years ago. Oh, a new processor that's more efficient and more powerful. Did you hear him crapping on about the GPU? It's the biggest breakthrough in the GPU we've ever had. And then they went on to say it's 20% faster at peak performance to the last GPU. 20%. If Nvidia released a new GPU that was 20% faster, they would actually be a laughing stock, right? But with Apple, it's the biggest breakthrough. I mean, the RTX 4090 is like 50% faster than 3090. They're banging on, it's 20% faster, the biggest breakthrough. At peak performance, mind you, it's probably only 10% faster in normal conditions. And now we've got ray tracing that Nvidia had like 100 years ago. Whoa, and AV1 decoding. Is it decoding only? Hopefully it is encoding as well. That would have been a hard one to swallow there using AV1 with Apple because they don't like AV1. But anyway, I'm going to have to think long and hard about getting these things this year. I may make another video about it. It might be the only year I've skipped in a very long time. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Catch you next one.